Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something exciting for all the artists, crafters, and pumpkin enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the Caliart acrylic paint set with 12 brushes, 24 colors, the best paint for pumpkins available in the market. Stay tuned for the next 10 minutes as we dive into the world of vibrant colors, creativity, and endless possibilities. Folks, take a look at this beauty. The Caliart acrylic paint set comes with 24 dazzling colors, each in a generous 59 ml bottle. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, this set has got everything you need for your Halloween pumpkin decorating or any other artistic project. Now, what sets this acrylic paint set apart is its incredible versatility. Not only is it perfect for pumpkin painting, but it's also great for canvas art, rock painting, ceramics, and so much more. You can let your creativity run wild. And here's the best part, folks. These paints are non-toxic and certified safe for all ages. So, parents, you can rest easy knowing your kids can join in on the artistic fun. Plus, the creamy consistency and high pigments offer superb coverage for both large areas and fine details. One of the standout features of this acrylic paint set is its fast-drying formula. You can layer additional coats or add other elements to your artwork right away. No more waiting around for your masterpiece to dry. It's ready for the next step in no time. But that's not all. This set also includes 12 premium quality brushes that make your painting experience even more enjoyable. They glide smoothly on your chosen surface, ensuring your artwork looks as beautiful as the day it was created. Let's talk about the color variety: 24 classic colors, each with its unique charm. From lemon yellow to cerulean blue, from scarlet to titanium white, you'll find every color you need to bring your imagination to life. And when you're done with your creative session, cleaning up is a breeze. All it takes is some soap and water, and your brushes and surfaces are ready for the next project. Now, here's the best part. The Caliart acrylic paint set is currently available on a fantastic deal. The list price is $45.99, but you can get it for just $22.09. That's a whopping 52% off. Plus, if you buy $100 worth of Caliart products, you can save an additional 5% using the code Caliart100 at checkout. Extra savings, anyone? And here's the cherry on top. The manufacturer offers a money-back guarantee. They're confident you'll love using these acrylic paint supplies, but if you encounter any issues, they've got your back with a fast, no-hassle refund or product replacement. So, there you have it, folks. The Caliart acrylic paint set with 12 brushes, 24 colors, the best paint for pumpkins, and a versatile set for all your artistic endeavors. With its wide range of colors, safe and non-toxic properties, and affordable price, it's a must-have for artists, beginners, kids, and anyone who loves to paint. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and take your art projects to the next level, don't miss out on this incredible deal. Click the link in the description below to get your Caliart acrylic paint set today. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep painting, keep creating, and keep exploring the world of fantastic products with Product Critique.